Good morning. Hi, this is Joe from Ohio Tool Description. And today we're going to be doing something a little different. Today we're going to be changing the lights out on a John Deere D110 riding lawnmower. The reason we're doing this is because the other day when I started the mower up to mow the lawn, I noticed that one of the two headlights was out. What I did was I took the light that was out and threw it away. However, I need to replace that lamp. So today I'm going to show you guys how we replace these lamps in this John Deere D110 riding mower. Okay, the first thing to do is make sure your lawnmower is off. The key has been removed, which I'm going to do that right now. I usually take the key when I'm not using the mower and I set it right on top of the engine. So that way when I go to start it, I have to open the hood. And in the process, it gives me the opportunity to check the oil. So we've removed the key. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the lamp holders out. We're going to start on this side. What we're going to do is we're going to take this loose, pull it away from the body. It's a little clip. Just be careful you don't break it. And we're going to take the wires loose so we have a little bit to work with. Now we have a little bit of slack. Now if you need to, bring the hood of the mower back. So how this works is you take this, it's under a clip. So what you do is you take it and you turn it. Now it's free. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this other side, pull this out. Now our wires are free and our bulbs and the sockets are free. Now this bulb, it's called a bayonet type bulb. What it does, how it works is, if you notice, I don't know if you can see that, but right there, there's a hole right there, or a slot right there. What that does is it takes, what you do to remove this bulb is you push down and turn it counterclockwise until you feel it stop. Then you pull it out. Now, why they call it bayonet is because it has these two little pins on either side. That keeps it, as you push it in, it goes into two slots and it doesn't come out. So this bulb is a 1156 or LLB2 bulb. So this one's good for right now. So I'm going to set this one aside, and in case one of the two new bulbs go out, I have a backup. So I'm going to go ahead and set this side. All right. Now what we're going to do is replace the two bulbs. All right. And the bulbs I'm replacing is the LLB2 or the 1156 Phillips bulbs, the bayonet style. So we're going to go ahead and open those. Now when you replace these, do one at a time. Open the package so you can access only one of the bulbs at a time. That way there's less chance of you dropping it or breaking it or whatever. All right. Now, like I said, this is a bayonet type. It has the two pins on either side. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our lamp holder, and see that down there, that's your positive, and your two pins are the negative. So what we do is we're going to do this. We're going to place it in there, and we're going to twist it clockwise. Now the lamp it's not going to fall out now. What we're going to do is we're going to place this, see, We're going to place it back into the lamp holder back into the, which would be the lamp, or the light. We're going to take the other one out and do the same thing. Again, bayonet type. Find the little slots on either side, press it in, and turn it clockwise until you hear it click. And then place it into the light, and you twist it underneath. Now I noticed that when I took it out, this part here was on the side of the tractor. And look, it goes back in, and there we go. Go ahead and replace your wire so it doesn't fall loose and hit the hot part of the engine. And there we go. The lights have been replaced. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, or give me a thumbs up. All right, thanks again for watching. This is Joe from Ohio Tool Description. Have a great day.